Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Wix website under construction. This is a crucial step when making significant updates or building a new site, ensuring visitors see a professional placeholder instead of an unfinished page. We will cover the simple process of activating a coming soon page, customizing its appearance, and finally, taking your completed site live for everyone to enjoy. Let's get started with the first step. To begin, log into your Wix account and access your site's dashboard. From there, locate the Settings menu on the left-hand side. Within Settings, you will find Website Settings, where you can then select the Coming Soon page option. Simply toggle this feature to on, and your site will immediately display a placeholder page to all visitors, allowing you to work behind the scenes. Once activated, you can customize your Coming Soon page to reflect your brand. Wix offers various design options to add your logo, choose brand colors, and write a compelling message. Consider including contact information or an estimated launch date to manage visitor expectations. You can also integrate social media links, keeping your audience connected and informed while your main site is under development. Make it informative and engaging. When your website is complete and ready for the world, returning it to public view is straightforward. Go back to your Coming Soon page settings within the dashboard and simply toggle the feature to off. Your site will instantly become live and fully accessible to all visitors. Before celebrating, take a moment to thoroughly review your entire website, ensuring everything functions perfectly and looks exactly as intended. Congratulations on your new site.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.